Guys, here we are again on the second video. That's the part two of the boom and crash scalping strategy. The last video I dropped was the part one. And why was it a part one? Because it was actually about scalping boom. Okay, on the last video I was actually showing you guys how to scratch the boom market, and today I'm going to show you how to scalp the crash market. And on crash, if you're actually scalping, that means you are actually buying the market. So guys, please, before we continue, I'll just like you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the video, leave some sweet comments, and turn on your notification bell, so you can always get videos whenever I drop them. I always like sharing the little I know with everybody. Okay, so guys, so before we start, the indicators we're going to be needing for this strategy will be on a main chart, the moving average, and our indicator window one. We need the relative strength index, we need the MACD, and we need the stochastic oscillator. And on the main chart, the moving average will be period 10. Please guys, you can screenshot this or you write them down so you don't do mistakes. And the shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close. The style is 3 pixel black. The levels here, there are no levels here. So after that, you click done and you go back to your indicator window. This time around, it will be on your indicator window 1. You have the relative strength index, and period is 1, apply to close, styles 3 pixel, levels 90 and 10 here. And the level 90 is the overbought level, the level 10 is the oversold level. Please, you have to take note, the level 90 is the overbought level, the level 10 is the oversold level. Okay, done. You go back to your indicator again. The next one will be the MACD. On MACD, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. The style main 1 pixel white, signal 2 pixel red. There are no levels here. And you go back to your indicator again, and the last one will be the stochastic oscillator. K period 10, D period 3, slowing 3, price view low slash high. Method is simple, main 2 pixel, signal 2 pixel. The levels here are 15 and 85. Done. So okay guys, so before you start scalping, what do you actually look out for? Okay, before you start scalping, what you actually look out for is for you to check on your indicator, for it to give you the go ahead. Okay, it will actually tell you when to actually start buying and when you should close. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you have to wait for the market to get down to this over so level, which is the level 10 here and level 15 you are seeing here. So once you see the indicators, the black one and the red one on this level here, which is the level 10, and you look over your main chart and you see the black indicator here crossing over the green candles like this, I always say this: you have to wait. Even if these other two indicators on down here are giving you the right signals that it's time for you to buy, they are all at level 10, which is the oversold level. And you look up here and you don't see this black indicator crossing like this, don't make that buy. You have to wait for all the indicators to actually give you the signals and they go ahead to buy. So when you see the black indicator here on the level 90, okay, and you see your red indicator on the level 15, and you look over your main chart and you see the black indicator crossing over the green candles like this, that's when you make your buy. Okay, and when you do so, you pick 1 2 3 4 5 candles. Don't pick more than 5 candles, and you close the market. And let me tell you why you won't have to pick more than 3 4 or 5 candles, because here the red indicator here is actually crossing this black indicator here on top. But if you see where the red indicator, it's actually under this black indicator, like it's under, okay, under where I'm pointing this here, it's actually under. Okay, that's when you can hold the trade for a long time, probably pick up to 10 to 12 candlesticks. Okay, if it's on, I will show you, I will show an example of that. But since it's crossing on top like this, it's not that strong for you to pick more candles. Just pick 45 candles and you close the market. Okay, so I'll repeat again. When you see the black indicator hitting the level 10, which is the oversold level, and you see this red indicator here hitting the level 15, which is also the oversold level, and you look over your main charts and you see the black indicator crossing the green candles like this, then you pick 45 candles, then you close. And before you pick those candles, before you know if it's all right for you to pick more than 5 candles, maybe probably 10 to 12 candles, you have to look at the red indicator if it's actually under the black indicator. If it's actually under the black indicator, that is when you pick more candles. But for now, it's not under, it's crossing on top, so you just have to pick 5 candles, then you close the market. Okay, let me show you an example of what I mean by picking more candles. Okay, this is example. This is what I'm actually talking about. Okay, so as you can see, the black indicator here, it's at the level 10 here, and the red indicator also, it's at the level 10, which is the oversold level. They are both at the oversold level and actually giving us the right signal to make the trade. Okay, see here, let's start from here so you can understand more better. Okay, see here, the black indicator here, it's at the oversold level, and the red indicator too is at the oversold level, but the red indicator is crossing on top, like on top, not under. Here it's crossing on top here. Okay, so as you can see here, it's just 1 2 3 candles and there was a spike. Okay, but if you check here, as you can see, the red indicator is crossing under the black indicator, and if you can look up here, you can count how many candles are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 candles. Why? Because this is a strong move. It's actually telling you that the market will actually push for a long time. You can pick as much candles, like 12 to 13 candles, before you close. But if the red indicator is actually crossing over like this on top, you can just pick 3 candles, maximum 4, but I'll suggest you pick just 3 candles, then you close. Okay, but if you see the red indicator going under beneath like this, you're free to pick 10 to 12 candlesticks before you close the market. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, we are on crash. Let me explain it again. We are on crash. We are about to scalp crash. And if you are scalping, because if you're on crash, you buy. If you're on boom, you sell. So you're actually scalping crash. So when you're scalping crash, it means you're buying. Okay, but before you start buying, these are the things you need to look out for. Okay, before you start buying, you have to wait. Like I always say, in forex, you need patience. Patience is very, 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 very vital. You need patience. If you're not patient, you lose money because you make a wrong entry. Okay, entry is very, very important. Price actions and the rest, I've been talking about this over and over again, so by now I think you should understand that. So before you start buying, you have to wait for the right time, and the right time is when you see the black indicator hitting the level 10 here and the level 15 here, which is the oversold level, and you see the red indicator hitting the same level here, which is the oversold level, and you look at your main chart, you see the black indicator crossing over the green indicator like this, you can make a trade. Okay, and to know how many candles you're supposed to pick, you still have to observe. If you see the red indicator crossing this black indicator on top or in the middle like this, it's a sign for you to just pick few candles, which is just three, maximum three candles. Just pick maximum three candles. As you can see here is three. As you can see here is 1 2 3. As you can see here is just one. As you can see here, so maximum is three candles and you out of the market. But if all this happens, the both indicators are on the oversold level, and you see the red indicator going beneath the black one like this, below the black one like this, that is when you can pick up to 10-12 candlesticks before you close. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So right now I'm going to go to the live market, and I'll do what I've been explaining to you guys for you to actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, it is a clear example. As you can see here, the black indicator, the red indicator is actually crossing under the black indicator. As you can see, we have more candles here. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is a 9 candles still forming. Okay, but if you can look here, seeing the red indicator crossing the black one in the middle like this on top, you can count how many candles were here. It's just three candles. You can still count how many candles were here. It's just two candles. Okay, 2 3 candles there. That means it's not strong enough for you to pick more candles, so you can just pick three candles, maximum three, and you close the market. If not, a spike might catch you and put you into losses and put you on a drawdown, which means you can actually end up losing money. So to be very sure of picking more candles, you have to make sure that the red indicator is actually under the black indicator like this, and you pick 10 candles. I will just say pick 10. Okay, as you can look here, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After the next candle forms and finishes, then you close. Okay, 10 candles and you're good to go. So guys, that is what I'm talking about. It's very easy. Just watch the video with a clear understanding. Just apply the indicators the same way I did. Make sure you don't do any mistake, and try it on your chart, and I promise you, you're going to make money. You're going to make money. I don't come here to post videos that I've not been using. I don't post strategies that I've not been using. I have to use this strategy, test it my own self, and see if it's working. And I've shown that over and over again that it's been working. That's why I have to come here and share it with you guys, because I can't just have the knowledge and I just keep it to myself. So what's the point? I have to share it with everybody so we can make money, because I understand we all came here to make money. We all came to Forex to make money. Before we came into Forex, we had the idea of making money. So why wouldn't I share the idea of how I used in making my own money to you guys? So just try this on your chat, guys, and you all make money for yourself. As you can see, guys, the 10 candle is just forming, and after that you close the market. So that is how you scalp crash, guys, and you make money for yourself, guys. So thank you guys for watching the video, and a spike happened here, but I don't know, the network is kind of bad here. There's a spike here. Like I told you, just pick 10 candles maximum. As you can see, just after the 10th candle, there was a spike here. As you can see, another candle is forming here, meaning there was a spike here, but my network is actually, I think, is bad. That's why this spike is not actually showing here. So that was what I was saying, guys. So try this on your chart, guys, and I promise you, you'll make money. But make sure you follow the step exact way I did this. If not, it won't come out like I'm doing here. So just make sure everything you're doing is the same with what I'm doing, the same strategy, the same indicators, and the same settings, and you're good to go. So guys, thanks for watching. Please, if you've not liked this video, I'd like you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave some sweet comments, share the video to your friends, and turn on your notification bell so you can always get videos whenever I drop them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you some other time. Bye.